Pseudo elements, how you can recognize. Okay, now we are learning the pseudo classes as well the pseudo elements. So pseudo classes, how you can recognize means, suppose if you are having the single column, sir, single column is presented, that column we can call it as a pseudo classes. Pseudo elements means, suppose if you are having the double column, sir. Suppose if you are having the double column, so this double column is a representation of the pseudo elements. That's it, very simple. Okay, now. So at the very first, now I will teach you the pseudo elements, and after that we will discussion about the pseudo classes. Sir, why we have learning the pseudo elements very first? Because pseudo elements we are having the only limited version, like 5 only elements here it is there. Pseudo elements, pseudo classes, how many things will be there? Like 10 plus will be there, sir. Okay, so that is the reason first I will finish with the pseudo elements first. So at the very first, let me open the Visual Studio Code. Okay. So at the very first type file, I am just selecting the close folder. Whatever the previous project I have opened, the file is what the closed one. So now I am opening a new open folder. Sir, what I am opening, sir, here, we are working with the CSS. Sir, I am creating a folder pseudo, pseudo, pseudo elements we are learning here. Elements, elements, pseudo elements. Pseudo elements. So at the very first, we require the index.html file. Sir, HTML file this is. And after that, we required, sir, style.css is required. Style.css file is required. Perfect. Now, sir, exclamatory tab. So very basic, simple HTML code is generated. Very nice. Sir, in this HTML file, I am providing a link with whom with the CSS tab. Automatically, style.css will be linked here. It is a perfect. Now, sir, here I am writing a paragraph. And after that, I will write the another paragraph. And after that, I am expecting 5 paragraphs. I am expecting, sir, paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3, paragraph 4, paragraph 5 paragraphs I am expecting. Okay. Sir, in the paragraph 1, I have to write something basic story I have to write here. So let's open the Wikipedia. Radhe Shyam story. Okay. So Wikipedia here it is there. So just copy simple 1 minute. Why? Okay, I'm expecting in the English language. Angreji. Yes. So just copy this. Copy this. I just pasted here in the first paragraph. Perfect. And after that, in the second paragraph, Salar story, SALAR Salar story, Wikipedia. Just copy a simple text. Just copy it. I'm just pasting here in the second paragraph. Okay. So you can remove the space and everything. Fine. Sir, in the third paragraph, I'm writing the different story. Squid Game, SQID, Squid Game story. Just copy it. Let's paste here. And after that, in the third paragraph, Game of Thrones story, Game of Thrones story. Just copy it. Just paste here. And after the little charms, little charm story. So just go with the some Wikipedia and every content. Just copy it. Copy it. Let's paste here. Okay. Perfect. So let's see the output first. Open with the live server option. Now we can see, I click here, open with the live server. Yes. So this is the first paragraph. This is the second paragraph. This is the third paragraph. And this is the fourth paragraph as well. This is the fifth paragraph. Okay. Now, sir, in the style.css, what we can write, sir? Now we can see, hey, paragraph. Whenever you open brace, close brace, if you give the color, now we can see color will be the red color automatically. Each and every paragraph color is what the red color here it is there. Sir, here you can specify after the tag name. Hey, paragraph here it is there. Now, after the paragraph, now we can see you can specify a single colon, you can specify, sir. Single colon. Sir, in the single colon, lot of the things you can have, like active here it is there, any link, blank, checked, like lot of the things here it is available, you see. Okay. So, but I am not using all these things. Sir, what I am using, sir? I am using, sir, double colon. I am using, you see, double colon. Sir, after here it is there, before here it is there, first letter is there, sir. Sir, I am just very interested to go with the first letter, sir. Now we can see Control S. Now we can see what happened here. Any guess what happened here?
స్టార్టింగ్ లెటర్స్ రెడ్ కలర్ లో వచ్చేసారు.
Yes, only starting letter you are coming with the red color. Sir, now we can see only how many paragraphs here it is there. Those many paragraph, only starting letter, if you are expecting the different style, you can achieve this. Sir, here not only with the paragraph, sir. You can try with the headings, you can try with the table, you can try with the multiple images. If you are having the first image, you can make it what somewhat attractive, you can do. If you are having something multiple values, the first thing you can make it attractive. Okay, so that one we can call it as what the first letter. Sir, after that, I am increasing the font size, sir. Yes, of course, you can increase the font size to 45 pixel also. You can increase. Now we can see how it is looking, you see. But now we can see it is looking something very hard. So no problem, I can minimize the size to 35 pixel. 35 pixel looks good. So not only that, sir, even we can change the font style, we can change font family. Now we can see font family. So I am giving some different style I have given, you see here. Courier new I have given here. Now we can see different font style. Okay. So not only that, font weight, sir. Font weight here it is there. I can make it something bold, sir. Bold. Now we can say like tick you will get. Okay. So the font style is not looking good. No problem. I can add the another font style, Gills Fans. Now we can see the different style here it is there. 1 minute. Think semicolon is missing. That's nice. Okay. So not only 1 minute. Let me check semicolon. Okay. Let me delete all these things. Times New Roman is all okay. I can give something Vardhana. Some different style here it is there. Now, I think cursive also we can give cursive. It's not working. Okay, looks good. So not only that was like a lot of the things you can make it possible, like a first letter, background color also we can change. Background color I can change with the yellow color. Now we can see. So these many things we can achieve. Okay. So first letter concept is very clear, right? First letter, hey paragraph, first letter concept is very clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, Control A, copy. Sir, for all the pseudo elements, this HTML file is more enough, sir. Only single HTML file, I am teaching you the everything. Pseudo elements, HTML code. Sir, now we can see this is the first letter CSS file. PSEUDO pseudo elements, pseudo first letter CSS code. Okay, first letter CSS code. Sir, after that, first line also we can make it achievable, sir. First line, entire paragraph. Now we can see how we can achieve. Simple, sir. If you delete the first letter, sir, another concept here it is there. First line here it is there, sir. First line. That's it. Now we can see. Sir, total paragraph, the first line, you can make it something very highlighted. Sir, suppose whenever you are changing the screen sizes, sir, according to the screen size, whatever the matter is loaded, that matter only will be highlighted. Now we can see, suppose if you are changing the screen size, according to the screen size, the matter is coming to the first line, automatically the entire first line will be highlighted. Okay, so now we can see maximum 25 pixel is most enough. That's it. Okay, now, so the first line concept is very clear, right? First line concept. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Copy this. Sir, we have completed the first line CSS also. First line CSS code also. Okay. Sir, after that, sir, suppose you have forgotten, sir. What you have forgotten, sir, every statement ends with the semicolon. Sir, here semicolon, here it is there, here semicolon, here it is there, here semicolon is there, here semicolon is there, here semicolon is not there, you see, here semicolon is not there. Sir, suppose what happened if you have forgotten the semicolon, sir? Delete this semicolon. Delete the semicolon. Third paragraph ending, I have removed it here, I have removed here. Now we can see paragraph ending situation, there is no full stop here, 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 and the ending situation also there is no full stop here. Sir, in the ending situation, suppose if you are writing something, a very big love story you are writing. Sir, in that love story, almost you are having the 20,000 paragraphs you have already written, sir. But you have forgotten the ending statement, you have to finish with the full stop. So 20,000 times editing the full stop is like really risky topic, right? Yes or no? 20,000 times going to the each and every paragraph in the ending location, writing the full stop, it is really time-taking process, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So how we can achieve, like very simply, hey paragraph. Sir, here we are having a after concept here it is there, before concept here it is there. Sir, if you are expecting the paragraph before you, if you are expecting, or paragraph after you, if you are expecting. Full stop, where you are expecting?
After.
After. Hey paragraph after. So what you can write, sir? Content, you can write the content. What is the content, sir? You can write the full stop. That's it. Sir, each and every end statement, now we can see full stop here it is there, right? And the full stop here you can identify, the full stop you can identify here, full stop you can identify here, the full stop you can identify here. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Suppose if I remove the full stop here, let's delete the full stop here. Now we can see there is no full stop here. There is no full stop here. There is no full stop. There is no full stop. There is no full stop. So 20,000 times writing the full stop, it is achieved by using the single line statements, are content equal to dot. That's it. Now we can see dot here it is there. Not only that, you can provide something multiple dots also you can provide. So even you can provide something love shapes also you can provide. Now we can say love shapes also we can provide. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sir, suppose paragraph starting, sir. Sir, paragraph starting, how we can achieve paragraph paragraph before, sir. Paragraph before, what is the content we can add? The content you can specify with something arrow marks, you can specify. Arrow marks. Now we can see. Sir, each and every paragraph is starting with the arrow mark, arrow mark, arrow mark, arrow mark, arrow mark, you can see. So not only that, we can achieve like lot of the things. Image icon finder. Let's see this. Let's download this. Here it is downloaded. So just copy it. Where I have to paste? I have to paste with the 44 batch CSS pseudo elements. Just paste here. Okay. So just rename with the hand. Okay. Sir, icon finder is a very best example. Here you will get what all the icons you will get. So really each and every icon you will get. Sir, suppose if you are working with the hospital application, just to type the hospital, sir. All the hospital icons you will get, you see. Doctor, patient, nurse, medicine, place, ambulance. Now we can see. Even now we can see stethoscope, injection. Now we can see a lot of the icons you will get. You have nothing to worry. Okay. Suppose if you are working with the social media application, suppose if you are working with the Facebook, all Facebook logos here it is presented. You see. That's nice. Any application, suppose if you are working with the like railway application, railway, if you type here, so all the railway symbols you will get here, icons. Okay, so just remember the icon finder is a very finest website. Yeah, sir, here I have downloaded one icon here, that hand symbol. Sir, I am expecting the content. In the content, what I am expecting, sir, here we expecting the URL. In that URL, hand symbol, sir. That's it. I don't know whether it is working or not. Now we can see hand symbol here it is presented. 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 Okay, no problem. So here it is presented. But how we can achieve that? 1 minute. Let me try this image. Height to change it to 10 pixel. It's working. It's not working. Height is changed to 10 pixel. It's working. It's not working. 1 minute. So no problem. As of now, you can resize this. Resize to. You can go with the pixels. You can give to the 10 pixel. Now we can see. Sorry, it's resize. You can change it to 50. Even you can resize. You can change it to 10 size. 1 minute. You can change it to 25. That's nice. Now we can see. So now we can see each and every starting location, you can specify the hand symbol, love symbols, and anything we can make it possible, you see. So this concept is very clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sir, here we have finished the two things we have finished, sir. After concept here it is, we have finished as well. The before concept also we have finished here. You see the two things we have learned here. Okay. Copy it. Let's paste. Sir, here before and after CSS code. Perfect. And one thing we are having the pending, I have forgotten. Let's see here, double colon. After is there, before is there, first letter here it is there, first line here it is there. One minute. Paragraph, double colon. After we have finished, before we have finished, first letter we have finished, first line we have finished, selection. Yes, selection is there. Okay, so this selection I will discuss now. Okay. Sir, suppose if you are reading a very nice love story, you are reading, sir. Okay. Sir, suppose suddenly your father or mom called to you. So beta, you have to go to shop and bring some necessary things. Now we can see immediately you go to the shop and again back to the computer. So now we can see again you will read the same love story. Now we can see again you will read the 2-3 paragraphs. Again you will remember and again you will start the reading. Okay. So now we can see it's a very simple formula I can tell you. Suppose suddenly if any person is called you. Okay. Suppose if you are leaving this computer. So simple, just select the text and you can leave the computer. That's it. Just to select the text, just leave the computer, that's it. So once you back to the computer, again you can start from that particular line. Sir, even you can check with the any website, sir, any website. Sir, whatever the matter you can select, the background color is what color you are getting, sir? Background color.
Blue color. Blue.
Blue color we are getting. Even you can check with the any website. So even you can check with this website. Now we can see background color is blue. So even you can check with the Wikipedia website also. Now we can see just you can select some text. The background color is selected. What the blue? Any website you can check. You see, not only this website. Okay. Sir, can we change that? Yes, of course we can change that. Suppose if you have a presentation, small presentation is there, no problem. Okay. So now we can see, hey, paragraph, whatever the matter you select, which is what the selections are. So now I can change the background color to yellow. That's it. The matter is finished. Now we can see I am selecting the thriller. Now we can see the text is changed. Now I am selecting the entire paragraph. Now we can see the paragraph color is changed, sir. Sir, suppose can you increase the font size? If you select, let me try it here. Suppose font size I'm increasing to 45 pixel. Now we can see it's not working, sir. Whenever you select the background color only you can change, but the paragraph size you are not able to change, sir. How you can achieve the paragraph size also you wanted to change? Yes, that we can achieve by using the pseudo classes we can achieve. Okay, so by using the pseudo elements, we are not able to achieve this. By using the pseudo classes, you can achieve that. Sir, here a simple concept, whatever the matter you can select, the matter background colors we can change. So here the selection concept is very clear to the each and everyone.
Yes, sir.
Perfect.
Yes, sir.
So copy it, paste it here. Sir, selection, CSS. Perfect. Sir, pseudo elements is finished. That's it, sir. We have completed what all the pseudo elements we have finished. Okay. How many pseudo elements is there, sir? Now we can see the first one, first letter, sir. First letter letter. The second pseudo elements are first line, sir. The third pseudo elements are now we can see after. The fourth pseudo elements are before, sir. BEFORE, before. The last pseudo elements are selection, sir. That's it. Sir, we are having the only 5 pseudo elements is there. That's it. Sir, suppose if you select here, a lot of the things is coming, you see, like content, queue region that is related to other one. It's not related to the CSS. Now we can see these are the 5 things only we can call it as a pseudo elements. And one more thing, how to remember the pseudo elements are, now we can see just remember the first letter and automatically first line will come. If you remember the before or after, automatically other will come. The another thing you have to remember, selection you have to remember. That's it. So these are the 5 pseudo elements. Pseudo elements information. That's it. So now what we have to learn, sir, we have to learn the pseudo classes we have to learn. Sir, the pseudo classes, how we can learn, sir? Now we can see single colon is there. Now single colon is a representation of the pseudo classes. Okay, now we can see. So now Control A, delete. Now, sir, here suppose I am having the multiple paragraphs I am having. Now we can see multiple paragraphs here it is there. No problem. No problem. Sir, this is a very nice love story. This website is providing the very nice love story they are providing. Sir, every week, Saturday, your love story will be uploaded. New love story will be uploaded or new content will be uploaded. Okay, no problem. One drawback with this website, sir, now we can see the drawback with this website here, it is what the paragraph is size is what the really very small size, sir. Are you able to read the data very clearly? Are you able to read this paragraph very
No, sir.
clearly? I'm asking.
No, sir.
Sir, how you can read this website? How you can read this love story? See, why this website people, they are using this font because they are love about this font. There is a sentimental here it is there, the people will use only this font, sir. But here we can provide a option to the customers. Sir, suppose customer is reading the third paragraph or the fourth paragraph. Only fourth paragraph only should be highlighted with some size. Yes, we can make it achievable, that one. Sir, how we can achievable that one, sir? Simple concept to, sir. Hey, paragraph here it is there. Now we can say paragraph here it is there. Now we can see pseudo classes, sir. Pseudo classes means a single content we have to use single column. Sir, paragraph, sir, HOVER, over, whenever your cursor is over that. What I am changing, sir, font size, I am increasing to the 45 pixels, sir. That's his work is finished. That's it. Now we can see. I am reading the second paragraph. I am reading the third paragraph. I am reading the fourth paragraph. I am reading the fifth paragraph. I am reading the sixth paragraph. 1 minute. One. So here the paragraph size is really very small. That is the reason here it is like blinking. Now we can see. One minute. We can achieve. Now we can see. It's very simple. First paragraph. I am reading. And after that, I'm reading the third paragraph. Now we can see, you can read any paragraph. That particular paragraph only is highlighted. You can see here. Now we can see you are able to read the paragraph very nicely.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this feature have you seen in the any other website? No website is providing this feature. You see here. Just over, that's it. Automatically you can make it what some styles you can make it applicable. Not only that, sir. Now we can see sir, paragraph, color, sir, color is what the red color, sir. Now we can see all paragraph colors. We can see what the red colors you can see here. Even whatever
Sir,
the
can you
date,
zoom out the screen, sir?
zoom out. Yes. Hello.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
This is only for test or images also we can
Yeah. The images also we can have. Next example I am going to take the image only. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes. Okay.
Okay. So someone is asking, can you zoom out concept means what is the problem with you? Zoom out.
Now, okay, sir. Now, screen is okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Now we can see. Sir, I am reading the first paragraph. After that, I am reading the any paragraph. Now we can see. So randomly you can select. Okay. So not only that, sir, now we can see present to what you highlighted, that color also we can make it changeable. Now we can see, hey, paragraph over, I can change the color also. I can change the color to blue color. That's it. Now we can see. Now we can see. So this concept is really looking nice concept, you see. Okay, so really I love this feature. Personally, I love this feature. This feature is not providing the any other website. So control a copy. So here the very small paragraph is repeated like multiple times. I am removing the multiple line paragraph. Control S. So I have to save in the another file, sudo classes. Okay. Para HTML code. Para HTML code. So paragraph CSS, paragraph over CSS code. Para over CSS code. Now, sir, here some student is asked exactly about the images concept, sir. Can you apply this concept over the images? Of course, we can apply it. Okay. So now I will give you another concept here. Let me delete. Okay, 1 minute. This file should be there. Okay, no problem. File. So just close the entire folder, sir. Okay. Now, sir, desktop 44 batch CSS. Sir, we are working with the pseudo classes feature, CLASSES classes feature. Now, sir, here we should have one file. The file name is index.html. We should have the another file also, style.css. Okay. Sir, here we are expecting 3 images we are expecting, sir. 3 images we are expecting. Because some student is asked exactly about the images concept. Okay. So one concept here it is, over here it is there. 1 minute. So no problem. With the previous batches also, I'm having some classes. Here it is there, pseudo classes. Image 1, image 2, image 3 images. Here it is there. Just copy it. Sir, the 3 images where I am pasting, sir, I am pasting inside the pseudo classes just to paste the 3 heroes. Really, these 3 images is what the heroes now we can see. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Now, index.html. Sir, exclamatory tab. So very basic HTML code is generated here. Hey, HTML file, I am providing a link to you with whom, sir? With CSS tab, style.css. Here it is there. Now, sir, here I am keeping the image, sir. Image tab, image1.jpg. Just right click here. Right click here. Open with the live server option. Yes, particular, okay, one hero. And after that, I am expecting the second hero. Now we can see I am keeping the second image. Now we can see control space image2.jpg. Now we can see you can find what the another hero you can find. Sir, after that, I am expecting the third image. Third image. Sir, image3.jpg. Image3.jpg. Now we can see. Sir, image size is really matching or the very different here it is there. Image size is
Different, sir.
different, no problem. So come to the style.css here. Hey image, hey image. So we are changing the height to you like the 250 pixel. 250 pixel. Now we can see. Sir, all image sizes is somewhat looking good, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, sir, image with the full clarity here it is there. Any shade concept here it is there. Shaded concept here it is there. Image, are you able to see very clarity or any shaded
Clarity, sir. Full
clarity?
clarity.
Sir, this image we can convert into shading, sir. Shading. Sir, do you remember RGBA alpha concept. Do you remember RGBA alpha? I can remember you what is alpha concept also. So let me write something H1, sir. H1. Welcome to MANAC. Now we can see welcome to MANAC. Hey H1. We are giving a color. Sir, RGBA, sir, RGBA. Sir, first one red color 255, second one green color. Let's make it 0. Blue color also I'm making the 0. Blue color also converted to 0. Alpha also I'm giving the 1. Sir, welcome to MANAC Infotech. Now we can see full clarity here it is there. Any shaded concept here it is there.
Clarity,
Welcome
sir.
to clarity. Sir, now we can see A stands for alpha, sir. A stands for alpha. Suppose if this value is changed to 0.2, sir. Now we can see welcome to MANAC Infotech. Now we can see color is somewhat shaded, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, hey H1. Hover, sir. Hover. Sir, I am giving the same color here. But here the feature I am changing to 1, sir. 1. That's it. Now we can see just paragraph over, out, hover, out. You like this feature? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. But this concept we are not working, sir. What concept we are working, sir? Now we can see alpha stands for, now we can see, we can call it for the images. That one here we can call it as the opacity, sir. Opacity. Now we can see. Sir, what we can call, sir, image, if you wanted to make it somewhat blur, sir, opacity. Opacity means transparency. Alpha also means what? The transparency. Sir, if you provide the one, sir, there is no transparency. Not fully, there is no transparency. Sir, if you are providing the 0 means fully transparency. Outside whatever the screen here it is, that screen you are able to see. Sir, if you provide the 0.2, somewhat transparency, you are able to see the images, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, even you can select the image also, nothing is happened here. Select the image, nothing is happened here. Hey image, over, sir, HOVER, hover, which means whenever the people will over the image. What I can change, sir, the opacity, I am making what? The removing. Let's make it to 1, that's it. Image, initially it is somewhat transparency. Whenever the mouse will over the image, there is no transparency. Now we can see, just select the feature, how it is working. Just mouse over the image. Now we can see, I have not created any other code. Now we can see a simple feature I have created, sir. Opacity, I made it 1. Now we can see. Not only that, even you can change the font size to, you can make it improve. Now we can see 350 pixel also you can make it. Just mouse over, image size is changed and the image is looking good. Just mouse over, the image size is changed, the image is looking good. Now we can see. Now we can see this feature is really lovable feature, you see here. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Just mouse over, the image size is changed and the image is looking good. Just mouse over, that's it. It's a very nice feature. Okay. This feature also really I love this feature. Now, image over HTML code, image over CSS code. Image over CSS code. Perfect. Now, let's remove this. Okay, let's remove the images concept also. We can remove here, no problem. Perfect. Sir, here first name, here it is, it's a first name. You can get what the first name. Sir, I am providing the inputs are type equal to text, sir. Now we can see a box you will get, you see. A simple box you will get. Sir, in the same way, ending location, I am providing the breaks. In the same way, second name. Hey, input, I am providing what the text I am providing. That's it. So now we can see, suppose whenever my mouse over, anything is working, sir. Now we can see nothing is working here. Okay. So now we can see how I can make it like a lookable. Hey, input. Hey, input. Okay. Sir, over. First, let me do some adjustment with this one. Border radius 25 pixel. Okay. And height also I'm increasing to the 45 pixel. Let's change it to 25, 15 or 19. Okay. So even I'm changing the width to 250 pixel. Looks is big. Okay. Now, hey, input. Hey, input. So just over, sir, just mouse over, just mouse over. The same feature I am providing here. Yes, we have to provide. Okay, mouse over also the same feature. But what I am giving, sir, I am providing the border like 2 pixel solid one red color. That's it. Now we can see. What happened here? Yes, now we can see. Just mouse over. The color is changing, right? Yes or no? No problem. You can change with blue color. Looks good. Now we can see. Just mouse over the text. The color is changed. Just mouse over the text. The color is changed. You see here. Okay. But as of now, if you see something facebook.com, now we can see. So this color is like somewhat very radius will be there. Na radius, which is look something very light. It's not the 2 pixels, sir. It is a 0.5 pixels, sir. 0.5 pixel. Here also I have to provide the border. No problem. Now we can see. Now we can see very light one you will get, you see. Okay. Very light one. Very light one. Okay. So this is the input feature you see here. Input feature. Input feature is very like understandable, right? Mouse image over, input over. Clear or any doubts you are having? Hello.
Yes, sir,
Yes, sir.
clear.
Fine. Only copy. Input over HTML code. Input over CSS code. Okay. So I'm finishing with the simple example here. I'm closing the session by writing the simple example. Okay. Sir, here button here it is there. Sir, what is the button name? Sir, login is the button name. Okay. Sir, in the same way, another button here it is there. Register here it is there. You see, register is the button. No problem. Hey button. Hey button. So you can change what the things you can change. Okay. Sir, here you can write the class equal to login. Sir, here you can write sir class equal to register, sir, reg. Okay. So now class means dot, sir, login, 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 open brace. Okay. Class equal to register, sir. Now we can see another class, sir, dot reg, sir, reg. That's it. Sir, now we can see if you write the button, If you change the height, sir, height like the 25 pixel, now we can see the total 2 button size is increased. Okay. So 125 pixel, the 2 button size is increased, you see. So, but I'm not working that feature. Now we can see 20 pixel is looks good. 26 pixel is looks good. And I'm changing the border radius. Border radius to 25 pixel. Now we can see. Maybe looks good, maybe bad. Okay, no problem. Sir, in the same way, I just wanted to change the width also. I just wanted to change to 120 pixel. Okay, the 2 button size is increased. You see here, the 2 button size is increased. Sir, now we can see login, sir. Login means now we can see where I have written, sir, class equal to login I have written. Now we can see login. Sir, I am giving the background color to some maybe blue. I have given blue. Now we can see. Okay. Sir, in the same way, register, sir, I am giving the background color to red. I have given. Now we can see red colors. No problem. You can make it. Okay. So now, the red color, okay, blue color, okay, fine. Maybe it's not looking good, but now we can see randomly I can select some colors. Now we can see. So here also randomly I can pick some colors is possible. 1 minute. Control S. Sir, in the same way, you can select this point. Now we can say you can select whatever the color you want. Pink color, let's go. Pink color. Okay, no problem. Sir, now we can see login text color also we can change, sir. Color equal to, you can give the white color, you can give, now we can say text color is the white color. Okay. Sir, in the same way, color white also we can give for the pink color. Now we can see color also white color. Now. So now border, now we can see border black color here it is. Now we can see what I am doing. Border 2 pixel, solid one. Whatever the color is presented here, the same color you can copy from here. The same color you can copy from here. Copy it and you can paste here. That's it. Now we can see border color also is same. Sir, in the same way, I am providing the border. Border 2 pixel, solid one, same. Whatever the color here it is a pink color also I am giving to the border, sir. I am giving to the border. Okay. Now we can see here login here it is there. Now we can see the border radius I am changing to 12 pixel. Okay. Now, so now we can see here you can identify a login or create a new account. Now we can see just mouse over, sir. Just mouse over the color you are able to get something tick color, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Here also now we can see small type of adjustment now we can see. So no problem here. Just copy it. Inside you can paste, save. So just I am making the mouse over, sir. H-O-V-E-R over. Just mouse over. What I am doing, sir, this background color, I am making something very improved version. I don't know it's working or not. Let's change this color to black. I think I will get it. Yes, it's working. 1 minute. Let's change this color to initially this one. One minute. 55, 173. Randomly you can give some colors, that's it. Okay. Just mouse over. Now we can see the button is looking highlighted, right? The same feature here it is there or not? Now we can see. Just mouse over. The button is looking good, you see here. In the same way, now we can see just mouse over. The button is making highlighted or selected the feature you are getting or not, you can see. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir, in the same way, the same color you can give for the register color. Just paste here, you can write something hover, sir. H-O-V-E-R hover. The pink color, you can make it something very bright. That's it. Just mouse over. Just mouse over. Now we can see color is highlighted. Sir, now we can see how much length code we have written. You see here, almost. Almost how many lines of code you have written?
30 lines.
30 lines of code you have written, sir. 30 lines code of you have written, but still the concept, okay, it is achievable, but maybe it is not looking good. You see here, maybe it is not looking good. But now we can see this feature will be there. Now, this feature you can achieve by using the single word, sir, WORD word. Now we can see you no need of writing what the 30 lines of code. By using the single keyword, by using the single word, you can achieve that feature, sir. Yes. Sir, you people, are you interested to write this very 30 lines of code or single keyword you will write?
Single keyword, sir.
Yes. So that is the reason we have to learn what the Bootstrap framework we have to learn. You no need of writing the CSS code. Okay. So here I am finishing by this example. It's not the CSS part is finished. Here we have to learn other feature also we have to learn. And after that, I will start with the another framework. Button HTML code. Button CSS code. Button CSS. Okay. Sir, in the very next class, completely we are discussing with the form things. Form, if it is a valid email address, if it is a invalid password, here it is there, how exactly red box colors you will get, those things we will discuss. Okay. So is it fine for the today? Shall I close the session?
Yes, sir.
And I require the another response. Shall I close the session for the today?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much for the confirmation.
Okay, sir.